You can set everything down now. You have arrived. Let yourself settle into your seat or lying down on your back. Assure that your temperature is not too warm or too cold, so you can sink deeper into relaxation and peace. Take a deep breath in now. Fill it up into your body, head to toes to fingers, and sigh it out. Hello, and thank you for joining me, Julia King, with Rest and Reset Studio. Now we rest and create a space for healing. Yoga Nidra can help you find a productive way to make up for lost sleep and allow healing energy to more easily flow through your body. Find any last wiggles you need, even if it's just to get a tiny bit, the last bit, more comfortable. Now notice where your back is in space. Notice everything that is facing the earth and touching the earth. Now notice perhaps some areas that face the earth but do not touch the earth, like the curve of your neck. You've got nowhere to go, nothing to do. This is your moment. Take one more cleansing breath. Deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out of your mouth. Ask your heart, what is my heart's desire? Listen to a feeling, and it might turn into a phrase. If it is one that you know of, repeat it now. Something that affirms you have completed this, or you have arrived, such as, I feel grounded and peaceful in my being. This is your Sankalpa. Bring awareness to the body parts I mention without moving. The sensation of your lips. Feel the inside of your mouth. Notice beneath your tongue, above your tongue. Feel your inner cheeks. Feel the whole inside of your mouth. Notice your throat, the hollow of your throat, the hollow of your neck. And bring that awareness up to the skin on your face. Feel your forehead, your eyelids, and notice your eyeballs. Feel your eyelids again, and notice the crown of your head. Aware of the sides of your head. Feel your ears, the hearing in your ears. Notice the sensation of your left ear, the wrinkles and the folds of your left ear. Feel the wrinkles and the folds of your right ear. Notice where both of your ears meet. Notice your throat again. Your neck. And imagine the tubes of your upper arms. The tubes of your lower arms. Energy gliding down to your thumbs and all 10 fingers. Fill all 10 fingers with awareness, with light. Now, feel your palms. Both palms. Palms and fingers radiant, glowing, vibrant hands. Vibrant hands of energy, gliding energy up your lower arms to your upper arms and back to your throat. Aware of your shoulder blades on the ground. Noticing your whole back. Your belly. Belly and chest. Wrap your awareness of your torso, front, back, and the tube of light inside. Feel the front of your pelvis. Notice your buttocks. Feel the sides where your hips are sitting. And notice your whole pelvis. It's light, it's full, it's vibrant. Taking a moment to notice everything to this point. From inside your mouth to the skin on your face and your eyes. Noticing all the parts of your head And remembering the glowing of the arms, hands, and fingers. Feeling the ignited light of your torso and your pelvis. Inviting awareness down the tubes of your legs, upper legs, lower legs. Feel both legs filled with awareness, filled with light. The energy of your legs glides down to 10 toes sparkling, 10 toes alive. And to the soles of your feet, your heels, and the tops of your feet. Feel the openness of your feet. From your pelvis down to the tubes of your legs, down through the soles of your feet, and aware of the tops of your feet and all 10 sparkling toes. Whole body vibrant and alive. Pay attention now to your breath. Noticing the rise and the fall of your belly and your chest. Maybe it's an expansion and a contraction. When you inhale, notice your energy expanding out beyond your skin, beyond a foot, maybe 2 or more. And when you exhale, feel a natural contraction, a pulling inward to yourself. On your inhale, feel a beautiful expansion, growing, expanding. On your exhale, invite in that contraction of your being. On your own pace, your inhales are expanding, vibrant, and your exhales pull in and empowering, all at your own pace. On your inhale, imagine the feeling of warmth in your body from head to toe. Sun hitting you, or in a warm room. Whole body, warm from head to toe. On an exhale, feel cooling. A thin layer of snow on the body. Laying in the snow for a couple of minutes, cool maybe a splashing of cool water through your being. Now, at your own pace, feel on your inhale the warmth, and on your exhale, the cooling, the calming, back and forth at your own pace. Now imagine the feeling of intensity. Imagine, without movement, the feeling of tense muscles, of holding a strong, contracted space. And now feel the feeling of ease and melt and relief and letting go. In your body, in your being, feel the feeling of intensity, contraction, holding. Ease, letting go. Go back and forth at your own pace from intensity and contraction feeling in your being to a letting go, to a state of ease. Do this at your own pace. Now try feeling both at the same time. Now, feel the feeling of lightness. So light. You're a cloud in the sky kind of light. So light and floating. On your exhale, you feel the heaviness of the ground touching the earth. Going deeper into the earth. Falling so heavy. Deeply. Now feel the feeling of lightness again, floating so high. Feel the feeling of lightness. And let yourself naturally sink down into heaviness, into the earth. At your own pace, feel the lightness and go to the heaviness. At your own pace, go back and forth. Now, try feeling both at the same time. In your mind, imagine the images I put out. Without trying. Let it come or not. Red roses. Orange sunset. Fire in a fireplace. A soothing pouring rain. Wind chimes. Now we will begin a short journey. Imagine that you are lying down, green plush grass in a garden, which is in the center of a large meadow. You look around and you feel so nourished. Everything around you is full and rich. Around your own perimeter are various flowers of different colors, but the one that stands out the most is the vibrant red rose. Wherever you look, there are vibrant red roses standing out more than the others. Out of curiosity, you decide to sit up. And the more you look around, the more red you see. And you see carnations as well, red carnations. And you look at the sky with red, orange, and yellow morning sunrise. And you feel so grounded and connected to the earth. You feel confident and connected. Your belly feels rich with assuredness as you see the sun shining harmoniously with the other colors in the sky. Surrounded by all of these roses of various colors, and especially the red, you see the bushes, green bushes with flowers of their own colors, little budding flowers of their own colors. Everything is so vibrant and green as well. Feeling so firm on the earth, you raise your arms to the sky, allowing a space of receiving. And then comes down this blue and golden white light. Various shades of blue, golden white, and now purple light coming through the crown of your head. You feel open and free. You feel creative. You feel healing energy moving through your body, and you feel a big thank you. A space of gratitude swarms around you and within you. Everything you could possibly need is right here within. You place your hands on your heart and it feels like a song, a harmonious song between you, nature, and your being. You're embodied. In this richness, you know that you feel complete, and it is time to return back to your healing space. As you lie down and receive the openness of the earth. From here, repeat your phrase, your Sankalpa. Perhaps it was a borrowed one, such as, I feel grounded and peaceful in my being. Whatever it is, repeat this 3 times now. You know it is time to shift. And so here you are now, lying down or sitting up, and you feel the room that you're in. And from here, you might choose to stay in a restful position or lie down and go to sleep. Or you begin to come out and you wiggle your fingers and your toes. Circle your ankles and your wrists. Begin to move more, maybe bend your knees more, reaching to the sky with your legs and your arms. You make your way to your seat with your hands at your heart. And one last time, remembering that Sankalpa, and intend to bring that with you. Thank you for joining me. If you would like to practice some more of these Yoga Nidras or sleep tracks or even small little nervous system resets in the middle of your activities, stay notified by subscribing and perhaps even hitting the notification. Thank you so much for being here. I'm honored to have you. Namaste.